Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your SOUNDCORE K20i. And let's get started with open the application. Also recommended to install this application to enable all the features here. Now, you don't need, when you listen to music or watching film, you don't need to use your phone. You can use a gesture right here, so the touch area is located right here, and also in the application you can customize this gesture, you can make the best one for you and use it. Next one. You can improve your listening experience by changing preset. So this is not all preset what we have. These earbuds have a lot of presets here, so you can choose the best one for you. Or you can also create your own preset, so it's a good one. And about presets, we have bass boost, so I prefer this mod, and if you listen music I recommend it to use it, but if you don't like it you can also choose bass reduce, it's up to you. Next one, these earbuds have game mode, so if you play game, I also recommend it to use this mod. But when you enable it, as you can see, now we can change equalizer preset, and we can use it. So only if you play games. Next one, these earbuds have out of mode, so you can also change it in the application. You can just disable it or choose the best time for you. And in the application also you can enable or disable touch tone if you don't need it, or if you lose your earbuds you can find it here to play some music here and you will hear it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.